Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the input mode on the Valeton GP-200. Let's get started. To access the input mode, you would have to click the spanner icon over here, and it comes with A.GT, E.GT, and then line. When you buy the Valeton fresh inbox, by the default input mode is E.GT. Now the reason why I choose the line and not E.GT is because of one, the E.GT comes with 4.7 mega ohms of resistance to the guitar signal. The E.GT comes with 1 mega ohm, and then the line comes with 10 kilo ohms. So 10k ohms. The higher the ohms, the lighter the guitar signal will sound. The lower the resistance, the more balanced it will sound. So that's the reason why I usually choose the line. But don't take my word for it. Let's demonstrate. So I'll choose the A.GT. And you realize, because I use the line to set my presets, let me choose a drive preset for better reference. So for this particular drive preset, my threshold is at 33. Now I've lowered the volume with the expression pedal. If I'm to increase it, you would get noise coming through. That's like basically the behavior of the A.GT. If I'm to put it at E.GT, a similar thing happens. My hand is not touching the guitar strings. Now if I'm to put it on line, there's no noise. So the relationship between the input mode and the threshold is this. The higher the threshold, the faster the guitar signal gets cut. So let me play something. Now if I'm to put the threshold at somewhere like 53, you realize the signal gets cut really fast. Now that is basically the reality of the E.GT and the A.GT. So putting the input mode at E.GT, you realize my hand is not touching the strings and there's no noise, but there's less sustain on the guitar. You realize it dies out so quickly. Now if I'm to bring it to 33, there would be some trailing noise after the guitar signal. So you can hear the noise. And I've also had people asking if they need to use the global EQ to cut off some of the high ends and probably boost the low ends. You first of all don't need to do that at first. The only thing that I do with my global EQ is to set my level to 77, and then that's it. So you could start with changing your input mode to line to get a more balanced sound and less noise. So that is the reason why I choose the line. Less noise, and I get more dynamics out of the guitar. So try it out. Put your input mode to line to get rid of too much high end in your signal, and drop us a comment if you have a question and I would answer with a video.